box. I'm so lonely here. It's just so lonely. I need a friend. Well, hello, I'm Mr. Cody. How you doing there, boy? I've been sitting here for years waiting for a friend. I'll be your bestest friend ever. He's gonna be my best friend. Shut up, cones can't talk. Mr. Cody, I'm really sorry. Oh no, what have I done to your face? I'm guilty. I'm gonna get done for murder. Gotta hide the body.